Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, the term is sale and leaseback term. A leaseback is an arrangement in which company that sells an asset can lease back that same asset from the purchaser with a leaseback, also called as sales leaseback. The details of an arrangement such as the lease payment and the lease duration are made immediately after the sales of the asset. In the sale leaseback transaction, the seller of the assets becomes lessee and the purchaser becomes the lessor. The most common uses of sale leasebacks are builders or companies with high cost fixed assets like property, land, or large expensive equipment. As such, leasebacks are common in the building and transportation industry. Such leasebacks can be attractive as alternative methods of raising capital. Usually, owners find it very difficult to raise the capital in such situation. They try to sell their own asset, but simultaneously they also make a contract with the party that they are going to lease back at a prefixed price and time duration. Possibly here the buyer will also look into the overall benefit of such a sale and buyback. For the seller, definitely it's a capital inflow which will free up his resources. Thanks for watching. Bye.